Hello, first graders. This is your first reading assignment for GATE. This has to do with relationships, how things relate to each other. So you are going to get a bunch of slides that look like this, and you are going to pick the picture from here that relates to this picture. So we have a hamburger here. If we were to pick a picture down here that relates to this picture, I would choose the hot dog. Now, why would I choose the hot dog? Well, I would say that the hot dog is also food, like the hamburger. They are both food. That's how they relate to each other. So that is how you are going to do all of the slides in this activity. Good luck.